Hello guys, a very good morning and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. We continue to dig deeper on what is happening in the nation Zimbabwe without fear, without favor. And let us take a look on what Zimbabwe Electoral Commission said in 2023. This is something very important because it gives us insight on whether Zimbabwe Electoral Commission is honest or not. Last year, when the elections were happening, we were told by Zimbabwe Electoral Commission that the printing was being done by a subsidiary of Fidelity Printers. That is what we were told. Fidelity Printers is doing the printing. But guess who did the printing? It's Wikino Chivayo and his team. And information is coming out, which means whatever probe which is going to happen cannot exonerate the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission team. So Prince Dubeko Sibanda says, ZEC lied that the printing of the 2023 election ballot papers was being done by a subsidiary of Fidelity Printers. What else did they lie to Zimbabweans? ZEC is a crime scene and must be disbanded immediately. And this is what is very important right here. 18 August 2023, the report reads, ZEC awards printing of ballot papers to Fidelity Printers. Yes. Do nyaya dzacho padzakamira ipapa. Do pane nyaya yese ipapa. This is 18 August 2023. And the report right here. The Zimbabwe Electoral Commission has confirmed that the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe's RBZ Fidelity Printers was responsible for printing the ballot papers for the upcoming national election. The contract was awarded to Minting Printing Company of Zimbabwe, MPCZ, a unity of Fidelity Printers. So, zvana chivayo zvese zvakuchibuda ike zvino izvi vana veZimbabwe. Where are we getting all these things from? This is the reason why the opposition was demanding to be present to inspect the ballot papers before. They were denied that access. They demanded to see this. They made court applications regarding this issue as ZEC. They made court applications regarding the issue as ZEC, but you see the haters saying azvinamboitika. Animuruzvona. ZEC told us about the 2023 printing of ballots. But right now, the truth is coming out. It's coming out that it is not the Fidelity. So, this is very important for the people of Zimbabwe to note. This is very important to note. Saka, vana Zimbabwe, when we are dealing with this corruption and criminal enterprise, we must know the kind of people we are dealing with. Yes, we must be able to know the kind of people we are dealing with right here. These are corrupt people, criminals. Very, 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 very cunning criminals. So, you can't tell us that these ballots were printed by Fidelity. Then later on the truth comes out and somebody does not care. I know that a lot of people will try to dismiss what Prince Dubeko Sibanda is saying. So I'm going to bring another piece of evidence right here. Because this is the reason why we are here. We need to bring pieces of evidence together. We love bringing pieces of evidence together. This is the Herald right there. This is the Herald, 19 August 2023. Herald, 19 August 2023. On the screens there. You can see for yourself. This is what is happening right there. 19 August 2023. This is the Herald right here. And this is Farai Machivenyika, the senior reporter. And speaking about all ballot papers for Wednesday's polls have been printed, and the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission yesterday published the details of the numbers printed and who printed them. They published and they said they were printed by. Let me see if I can highlight this. I don't know if I will be. Okay, this system cannot be highlighted. This is it. They said the election for the National Assembly, Kuti West seat had to be postponed So there were slightly fewer assembly ballots than presidential ballots. The ballots were printed by the minting and the printing company of Zimbabwe. This is what they said. And right now information is coming and stating otherwise. Information is out in the public domain. Who lets the dogs out? Who? Chokwadi chakubuda. And people are now running around trying to deny these facts which are there. And the opposition is being blamed left, right, and center. Advocate Fadzai Mahere was the most vocal. She was the spokesperson then, asking about these issues. We need to know where these ballots are being printed. But was she listened to? No, she wasn't. So I know that the truth is bitter. I know that people do not want the truth to be spoken or to be said. But this is the truth. Team Murakaba election 2023. And they know it. Not only that, Vakaba Mariacho election at 2023. And they know it. Not only that, Vakanyepa kuti ballot paper aprindwa ne Fidelity company subsidiary. If that money had been taken and being invested in Fidelity, tingadai zvichiziva kuti zvinhu zvedu zvakarongeka. But they didn't. What was the quality looking like? You can actually attest to the quality of the ballot papers. We all know the quality of those ballot papers, they were not of quality. Faces were blurred, especially with that one of Nelson Chamisa. Mnangagwa, yangari tsepete, yachamisa, angari mahumge. You see, this is what they were doing. It's because the boys were tampering with everything. The boys were in charge. I doubt that anybody with a real mindset, Arukushanda minting and printing, printing and minting company will tamper with the face ya chamisa kuita blade like that. This only can be done by none other than the only person aioneka ndimnangagwa na madhuku vari tu. No aioneka pa ballot ipapo. We saw it happening and we raised the questions to say, what is really going on? And nobody dared to answer. Nobody bothered to answer. Nobody cared to give us answers. Zimbabwe Electoral Commission was turning a blind eye. And right now we are being told, my opposition, anazodai. No. They were questioning these issues. Advocate Fadzai Mahere questioned these issues. She asked about these issues. But as usual, the blame is put on Nelson Chamisa. She did ask and made a lot of noise. Yes. And we were demanding that these things be done publicly. But what happened? So this is very important for the people of Zimbabwe to know that the truth will never, ever be swept under the carpet. This explains the reason why ballot papers didn't come in Harare. Yes. And nobody cared to explain. Vamwe vakatanga kuvhota usiku kwavira muHarare. Who does that? Honestly. And we have seen the same happening in South Africa. Right now, they are giving us 31 million voters. And the explanation is, pane ballots akazobatanidzwa this and that. That is a lie. These people love lying a lot. They love lying a lot. So we need to make sure that we deal with these issues. We expose the truth and we speak truth to power. One day, Zimbabwe shall be free.